Dude, come on! You need to quit your fucking job. Are you out of your fucking mind? What?
I'm 34 years old. I actually just recently started a garage clean out business. We go and clean people's garages out, and then we buy the stuff they don't want, and we're trying to resell.
I wish I was running this business. Just literally described my dream life.
I also have a full-time job.
I see.
I'm a marketing director, and then we're mostly cleaning stuff on the weekends right now.
Makes sense.
At what point or what kind of indicators do you look for like, yes, this works, this is going to be something that I can do full time?
Makes sense.
That's kind of where
you're
I'm
asking the right question. Paul, have you heard about the concept of common sense?
Yes.
Good. Let's play common sense game. Question number 1 in the common sense game. Have you been able to get customers?
Yes.
How much are they paying you to clean a garage?
$6.99.
$699?
Yes, sir.
You need to quit your fucking job. Are you out of your fucking mind? What? $699? I would do it for $69, and that wasn't a high school joke. Go to the next question, even though the game's over. How many garages have you cleaned?
We've done 16 so far. We're only about a month in.
Paul, you're an asshole. How'd you get the 16?
Facebook.
$699, Paul?
Yeah.
Question number 3 in the common sense game. Have you found any expensive, worthwhile stuff in any of these 16 garages?
We found furniture. I found some $600 baseball gloves. I mean, yeah, there's some good stuff.
You have a straight fucking... Paul, I hate you. I hate you. I also broke these, but that's good because these are broken anyway. Bro, what are you talking about? Quit your fucking job now.
I think it's the security that scares me because I've
Paul,
got
you can
I've got
get a
3
job.
kids.
Paul, you can get another job if this fails. You're doing this for like 3 hours, dominating. If you quit and it fails, you can get another job being a marketing executive. Everybody's gonna have jobs. Don't let this AI thing scare you. I could even just tell by your temperament, like just talking to you for 5 minutes. By the way, this is how I hire people. Just 5 minutes, I could tell that you can get. By the way, I'm gonna make a prediction. If your garage thing fails, and you have to go back in the market, and you're like it's that night, right? You're laying in bed, and you're like, play the music. Like this is playing, right? You're thinking about this moment. All right, turn it off. And you're laying there, and you're hearing the music, and you go, man, fuck Gary V, right? If that's the moment you're in, right?
Sure.
Let me tell you what's gonna happen the next day. You're gonna get a job that pays you more than what you're getting paid now.
Yep. It's fear. You're 100% right. Damn it. I was afraid you were going to say all that, but I think I knew it was coming.
The cleaning industry is booming, but choosing the wrong franchise can cost you time and money. That's where we, as franchise experts, come in. We guide you to verified, scalable cleaning franchises that match your investment capacity and long-term vision.